Hi there, students. Today we'll continue our study of multiplying decimal numbers. Today we're going to multiply a decimal by a multi-digit number here. So we've got a decimal number here, and then we have a multi-digit number here. That's a number with more than one digit. So let's go ahead and practice this. Now, our rule for multiplying decimal numbers is first we multiply like normal. So we'll start by multiplying 8 times 4, which is 32. Write my 2, carry my 3. And am I done with my 8? Nope. I still need to multiply 8 times 8, which is 64. Plus 3 is 67. So there we go. I've multiplied my 8 times every number in the multiplicand there. Next up, I'm going to multiply the other 8. So I need to multiply that by both numbers here. This 8 is in the tens place. 10 has 1 0. Now 8 times 4, we already did that once. That's 32. Bring my 2, carry my 3. And 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 3 is 67 again. So here we go. We've got our two partial products. We're going to add these together. And here we have it. 2 plus 0 is 2. 7 plus 2 is 9. 6 plus 7 is 13. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. So we have a number, 7392, but it's not quite done yet. So the rule for multiplying decimals is to multiply like normal, then count how many numbers in the problem up here come after a decimal. And I see only one number. There's only one number here in the problem that comes after a decimal, so I'm going to move the decimal one time. There we go. Oops, that wasn't quite right. Let's try that again. Move the decimal one time. There we go. So my number is 739 and 2/10. Let's try an example. Go ahead and in your math notebook, write down this problem here. We've got 3 and 9/10 times 68. Go ahead and write this down and follow along with me while I solve this problem. So write this in your math notebook. We're going to start here in the units place. 8 times 9. Let's see, the 9's trick, so it's got to start with a 7. That would be 72. 2, carry the 7. Now 8 times 3. Let's see here, 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24, plus 7, that's 31. There we go. Okay, I've multiplied 8 by every number in the multiplicand. That's that number on top there. Clean up my work here a little bit. Okay, I'm done with the 8. Now I'm going to do the 6. Now the 6 is in the tens place. 10 has 1 0. And 6 times 9. See, 9's trick means 9 times 6, it's got to start with a 5. It's always one number, then the multiplier here. So it would be 54. Write the 4, carry the 5. And 6 times 3, let's see here, 6 times 3 is 6, 12, 18. Plus 5, that's 23. So I've got my two partial products. I'm going to add those together. And 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. 3 plus 3 is 6. 2 plus nothing is 2. Not done yet. Now, I'm going to clean this up so it's a little easier to read. How many numbers in the problem up here come after a decimal? Again, it's just 1. So I'm going to move the decimal one time. There we have it. 265 and 2/10. For this last problem here, I'd like you to try to solve this one on your own. Go ahead and solve this on your own. Pause while you're working on it. When you're done, unpause and I'll solve it. We'll see how you did, if there are any parts that you had trouble with or any questions you might have to ask us. Go ahead and pause, solve this, unpause when you're done. All right, if you have finished, I'll solve it now. Let's see how this went for you. Let's see here, we've got 5 times 4 to begin with. 5 times 4 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. And 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is 7. And we're done with this problem here. So we've got 7 and a 0, but we're not done yet. How many numbers in the math problem here come after a decimal? And if we look here, it's just one number. Comes after a decimal, so we move the decimal one time. And our answer is 7 and no tenths. The important thing to note here is that 7 and no tenths is the same as, well, just the number 7. The answer to this problem here is 7. So 14 times 5 tenths, or another way to think about this is 14 times 1/2. 1/2 of 14 is 7. So for your follow-up work today, you'll be practicing, just doing some more practice with multiplying decimal numbers. Let us know if you have any questions, and good luck with your work.